Okay guys, so I just received my wireless mouse, so let's see what comes with it. Oops. So it's actually rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about the small AA size battery. So here is the button to turn on. Oh, it has nice light. And if you have the regular laptop or computer, you can use this one only, or if you have the Apple brand, so you have to use this one. So here you go. So then done. Oh, it's working, so I'll show you. So you can see it's working. Very easy to install, and when you need to charge, it comes with a USB charger, and here's the input. So easy. Thanks for watching, guys.